pizza. Parang gusto ko anak ng order pa tayo, Kamsi. Okay na sa'yo. Anak, order pa tayo. Ha? Okay. Mami, order pa ako ng yung kulang tong pizza. So, meron silang... Ako po, gusto ko ng mango juice.
No, Daddy, mango.
Okay, mango juice. Saka pancit canton kasi healthy yun eh. Healthy yun for you. It has carrots and cabbage.
No, Daddy.
What?
Carrots and cabbage.
Hindi ba carrots at cabbage yun?
No.
Okay.
He keeps on getting it wrong.
Tapos hingi pa tayo ng nasarapan ko yung garlic sauce.
No. Garlic sauce.
Garlic sauce. Ano pa ba? Apple juice para kay Mamsi. Healthy apple juice.
No, Daddy, apple juice.
Tapos dessert. Medyo mainit eh. Ice cream tayo para kay Mami. Ice cream. Ice
No,
cream.
Daddy, it's ice cream.
Okay, ice cream.
Nagigigil na yung isa.
Sige. Sige na, tatawag na ako ng waiter. Tawag na ako ng waiter Waiter. Waiter.
Oh, it's waiter.
Oh, waiter pala yung dapat yun.
Wait and then earth.
Okay, wait and then waiter.
No, waiter.
Okay.
Nagigigil na yung...
Okay, thank you.
Nagigigil na yung ano nung